In this video, I'm going to show you two must-have accessories you need to get for your Ford Bronco Sport. These are going to fit from 2021 to 2024, and they're going to fit every model from the Big Bend all the way up to the Badlands. The first product I'm going to show you is a glove box organizer. Now the glove box in the Ford Bronco Sport has no dividers, it's just one big deep hole, and you can put all kinds of stuff in there, but it's going to be hard to kind of sort through it. So this is a glove box organizer. This comes flat. All you have to do is slide these two pieces in. Let me show you how it fits. And open up the glove box on this vehicle. You can see there is a little bit of stuff down in there, but it's just one big deep hole. So you can get a lot in there, but it's going to be very unorganized. Now that I have everything out of the glove box, you slide the glove box organizer in like this, and then turn it towards the bottom. It will slide right into place. Then as you can see, you wind up with 5 compartments. Now I've put everything back in there that was in there. As you can see, nice and organized. Now that we got the glove box organizer in there, that's all straightened out, you guys might guess what might be the next thing. It's going to be the center console organizer. This is a top tray for the center console. So this is going to fit down in there. Put your phone, money, wallet, whatever you want. It's got dividers in it. And if you want to get to the bottom, simply grab hold of this and lift it out. Let's go ahead and put this in. And so there's our center console. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look inside. As you can see, basically just one big deep hole. Take our top organizer. It just drops right in just like that, guys. Fits perfect. And that's all there is to it, guys. Takes less than 10 minutes to install. And that's taking out all your old stuff, organizing it, and putting these back in. Now your glove box is nice and organized. You don't have to dig to the bottom of it to get what you need. And the center console is nice and organized. Keep all your valuables either maybe in the bottom, hidden out of view, or up top so you can get to it easily. I'll put links in the description down below how you can get this stuff off Amazon. Have it show up at your doorstep in just 1 to 2 days. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.